What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. From today's title, as you can see, we are going to attempt this smoky golden eye fantasy with a red lipstick. Like everyone have this red lipstick talks from themselves, like they are very loud, they can talk for yourself, they can do your laundry, they can do everything. Like, but this full blended smoky eye fantasy. So to know more about it, to learn about it, let's get into the video. But before that, like this video so that I can make this kind of more videos. Give me a push guys, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video you get notified. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see, my one eye is all complete, so I'm going to do this eye and show you how it is done. So I'm going to prime my eyes, as Nika tutorial says, not to prime is a crime. So I'm going to prime my eyes and lay a base. So I'm going to prime the lower part of my eyes, as I'm going to do my lower part as well. As I'm not doing the skin today, as skin everyone is aware of the same basic routine of a skin. So I'm going to just do my eyes today. So as you can see, my eye is all primed and all even color. I actually prime my eyes just because eye is not of same color. It have blue veins, red veins, everything is there. So I primed my eyes. So today I'm going to set my base with the translucent powder. As today we don't need a lot of pigment. We need a lot of pigment. We just need a airbrush finish. As this is a smoky eye, I hope you can see. It's very subtle. It's not much, but let the eye speak for you. Kind of a look. Okay, so I have like primed and set my base. So now I'm going to start off with my Makeup Revolution London Creative Volume 1 palette. With this palette, can you take a moment for the packaging please? Like the packaging, oh my god, this packaging is everything. So I'm sorry for the noise guys, I don't know why my neighbor screams always. So I'm going to take a blender brush like this, and I'm going to blend first my crease color with abstract. You can see it's a very base color of my skin tone, so I'm going to lay that color all upon my lid and my transition color. It's a very good for transition color. So as you can see, my transition color is all lit. It's like a very basic step. So now I'm going to deepen that transition color with flames. It's a bit more like darker than this abstract. It's very skin-like color, and this flawless is a bit more darker. So I'm not going to use the same brush. I'm going to use another, this dome kind of a brush, to pack that color on my outer transition, like sorry, in my inner transition, and give the depth to it. So I hope you can see I'm going to just give a depth to my transition color on my upper as well as my lower bottom lash line. So it's going to give a very nice depth to your eyes and the smoky effect. To create a smoky eyes, like I have seen the smoky eyes turning to a raccoon eyes very fast, very quickly. So don't hurry yourself, don't push yourself, just take the time, take a small dip, tap the excess out, then blend and blend and blend, and repeat this step until you are satisfied with the blend. The blending is the key to the smoky eye process. So I'm going to blend this flawless out in my base. So as you can see, there is like a depth in my eyes I have created with flawless. Sorry, it's not flames, it's flawless. I can't even speak like that sometimes. So next I'm going to use my creative trend mischief makeup palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to use my messenger from there and make it as my outer transition color, like outer V. I'm going to put that in my outer V and create that smoke. So I'm going to take a bit, don't rush yourself, and place that and pat. First pat and place your color, then blend. First take your color, pat, and then blend the color. Now take a small mini steps and blend the color. I hope you can see the color is blending. So after blending that brown on that what messenger, that warm brown color on your outer crease, now I'm going to use this chocolatey color, anti-grade. I don't know it's translating itself or not. I hope it's translating itself with this chocolatey color, anti-grade, and blend that on my outer V as well. So for that I'm going to use another this small this type of brush to do not disrupt the other shadows. So I'm going to take that brush and do the outer V and blend that. I hope you can see the depth I've been creating with different shadows. One at a time, go very slow with your brushes, don't rush yourself. Take a very small step, as you can go forward, you can't come backward with all this. You can apply less and apply more and more as you go and with your need, but you can't apply less. You can't come back, there is no coming back with this. So I'm deepening this my outer V with this. I hope you can see. I'm deepening my outer V. There's a little bit of sheen to it. I hope you can see it. This is not the shadows fall that it is accumulating over here. You can see there's much more deeper over here. It's my eye socket. It's inborn like this. There's a like hollow structure over here. I don't know how to fix that. So I'm going to deepen this up and show you. So my brown is like all blended. Now I'm going to take a angled brush like this and create a wing liner with that messenger. With that same messenger I'm going to create a wing liner. Don't go very above, don't go like very up, because you can always add, you can't unadd those things you have added. Make a like small itty bitty liner with this. This is going to give you this cat eye look. I hope you can see the cat fear eye look, the lifted look. It's only the one thing that I'm going to give your eyes a cat eye look. So I'm going to create a wing liner with this. I hope you can see the line. You don't have to be perfect, that we are going to blow this out. So for blowing that out, I'm going to use a brush like this and blow that brown out with Ignisite. We are going to blow the outer V of that brown out with this Ignisite, like this Ignisite with that. So we are going to take this and we are going to add some outer depth and blow that. We are not using this black heart. We are not using black because it's a brown smoky eye. This is not a black smoky eye. Like, it's very quick to take everything to a black state, so I'm not using a brown, like not using a black. This is like very chocolatey, darkish chocolatey color. Its name is Ignisite. So it's creating a depth to my outer V and my lower also lash line. Just don't take it too further inside, and we don't want a raccoon eye. Just keep it outside and blend it. After creating the outer V, creating the depth, whatever you want to, now I am going to mix artistic this golden color and this price in my inner lid with my fingers. So first I'm going to lay some price on my inner lid. You can use any kind of, you can see it's very like reflective, so you don't have to use any base for it. If you want more reflection, you can add a base, but I'm just using my finger. You can use a saliva as well to make it more reflective. So I hope you can see it's very reflecting, and I'm sorry for the excessive noise. So after putting that color, just blend that two colors. Like, don't create this harsh line. As you can see, there is no harsh line, it's all blended. Just take a small baby steps, take the color messenger, take the color ignite, and just blend that gold again and again until you create a small base, smooth, sorry. So blend that color in a very small and without any pressure, like don't apply any kind of pressure. I hope you can see it's like blended quite a bit. You have to again reinforce those color if you lose any sort of color. So after like blending those two colors, I'm going to use creative, this golden color. I hope you can see this golden color, this like very reflective gold color on between those two to give a depth, to give, it catches the light and it gives a reflective like part to it. As you can see, it creates a reflecting base for the eyeshadow. No matter where you look, your eye will always catches the light and give you that reflective sheen. So I hope you can see that. So now I'm going to just apply my lashes and come back. Oh no, not lashes. Before that I have to apply like eyeliner. You can see I'm not done with my much with my eyeliner. Just created a feline effect inside and this outer small line just to like hide those lash bands. You have to apply a bit of this lash eyeliner, sorry, not lash, this eyeliner to hide that lash band, or else you if you're getting photographed, whatever it is, there is like anyone can catch the lash band of your lash. So I will suggest you to hide those well. As my lash glue is drying, my eyeliner is done. As you can see, I'm going to put creative, this creative on my inner corner and my lower tear duct. Give the inner corner look, glowy look. If you don't like this inner corner look, so you can skip this step. My subtle inner corner highlight is all done, as you can see. So I'm going to apply my lashes as my lash glue has dried. So I hope you can see my both eyes are all complete. The sleek brown smoky golden eye look is all complete. Pair it up with a red lipstick like in Super Stay in the shade, I don't know actually. It's a DO4. I don't know the shade name. Okay, it's a DO4. Provocate Red from Maybelline Super Stay. So this is how the lipstick looks. Apply this. So I'm not going to use any liner. If you want to use any liner, then use that. This is a very creamy formula. You have to use a liner with it, or else it's going to bleed. I'm sure of that. If you're like having a photo shoot or all day long, it's going to bleed out. I'm sure of that. It's not transmitting like red on the screen. I don't know why, but it's really red, provoking red. I hope you can see the label. I bought this of purple. It's very moisturizing, very balmy. So this is the all look complete. Hope you like it. See you guys next time then, and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want, or you like this kind of video, like to watch this kind of video. Please like my video and subscribe so I can make more videos and keep my lights on. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.